Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and check out what I just bought last night. Look at this beautiful, beautiful thing. It's just an old farm truck, I know. It's got some rough paint. The paint is pretty rough. It's got some scratches and all, but that's all character, you know. Some people say it looks good, some people don't like it, but me personally, I like it. The inside, the seat is just dirty. Very good condition seat because they're super hard to get. Baby blue truck, baby blue seat, that's good. The inside paint is nice. It's got all the components really nice in there. A little rough wheels, I can get those powder coated. But yeah, we just transported it home. Like an hour and 45-minute drive last night. It took the drive pretty well. Didn't break down or nothing. All the way from Weatherford, Texas. It has no rust, no spots where it's rusted through. The bed is fully intact and there is no holes in the bed. Other than Vegas. Vegas has a couple holes in the bed. So this is always good. This is a 1968 Ford F100. It has a brand new full exhaust system. The dude that I bought it from put on. It sounds really nice.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Okay, y'all, I think this is one of the best finds so far. Oh my gosh. Got some vodka with the premium liquor, you know? And look, it's even got some still in there. What the heck? I found this in the back box. Dang.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, it is nice and clean in there now. Not too clean, but I'm gonna get this out of here. Okay guys, now that we got this nice and got the back box out, it is time to clean that out. It says Tours and Country. This must be an old tire. Oh, that was a close one. That was a close one. Looks like they cut this. This is the lock that goes onto the side tire mount. I found the rear view mirror that is missing. Not the mount, but we could get one of those maybe. Got my friend Lucky helping me.
I sucked up a penny.
Oh, you're good. And if you see something like this, keep it.
Why? What is it?
Because this goes up here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Rust is a little harder, man.
Number later. So I can tell my grandpa about the radio. And then maybe take a picture of the radio and I'll show him the picture of the radio.
Okay.
So I'm telling you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.